What's up, guys? This is, I guess you could call it the aftermath of the Sub-Zero Challenge Part 1 for this year. This is where I stayed right there. If you remember last year I had the lean-to. This is what that lean-to's turned into. But, it's a view looking out, and that is my friend's shelter over there. He went with a canvas tarp tent with a little wood burner in there. Fire pit right in front of us here. And unfortunately, we had to work so hard to keep up with the snow that came down, almost a foot. There wasn't a lot of time for taking video, but I did snap a lot of pictures, and I'll put those in here to follow. And I'll do another video soon, kind of a follow-up, what I learned, show you what I took with me, and give you some more details about the trip. But right now, very cold, and I just wanted to get this together, show you guys what happened. Stay tuned for the pictures, and there's a link below to SebagoSteve's video of his version of this. He also did it the same weekend, this past weekend with us, so make sure you click on that link, check out his video, and if you're not subbed to him, subscribe while you're over there. He makes great videos, and he's got more of these to come, so check him out. Thanks for watching this one, and stay tuned for more.